Hello friends, good morning to all of you. Today I will tell you about the speech because in our life it is only the speech which make us a good man for the society as well as for the state. And it works not only in the field of politics but it works in the field of judiciary and in the field of epidictic area. Historically, there are only three types of speech, and these were taught earlier only to the great scholars, discovered by the eminent and rich family educators like kings. The first speech is a political speech. Political speech refers to address the people, to influence them, that is known as a popular speech, to seek their indulgence, to influence them. Second speech is epidictic speech. This refers to and it is used particularly at the occasions of inaugurations and to win the purposes and objectives whatever have been laid down. And third is the judicial speech. It refers to the past transactions, what happened, how happened, and how it should be decided. And all these three speeches are for a particular segment of professionals. When we talk of political speech, it tells about the future. When we talk of epidictic speech, it connects the past with the future and with the present also. Whenever we inaugurate anything, whenever we decide and take any decision or make any policy for any big program, then we uses the epidictic speech. So long as judicial speech is concerned, it refers to the past transaction, what happened, and all these are dealt with methodologically. And dear friends, if you will continue to associate with us, we may tell you the each component of each speech. And the first speech, which refers to political speech, is a deliberative. It is spoken in the assembly to the elected people. And so long as second is concerned, epidictic, it is to address the statesman, to seek indulgence for the public purposes. So long as judicial is concerned, it is spoken in the courts. Who is the audience in the third speech? Audience is the judge. In the judicial speech, audience is the judge, and you will have to influence him. And I may tell you each one by one. And in the assembly, who are the audience? The members of the legislature. And who are the audience in the epidictic speech? The statesmen, the public, the scholars, and the persons with great achievement. Okay, friends, now we will take it in the next video, one by one, each speech. Okay.